sharks, crocodiles, and the looming threat of drowning. Anglers confront these obstacles head-on. What about ghosts, mysterious sea creatures, and the possibility of live munitions? Yes, they encounter those too. At least these brave souls have. Some of these stories might be hard to believe, but trust me, some fishing trips are more horrifying than others. From dangerous reptiles to strange phenomena, here are 10 fishing anomalies captured that no one believed to have existed. Number 10. Reptile in the middle of a meal. In a surprising twist of nature's interplay, a Houston angler's routine fishing trip in 2019 turned into an unforgettable encounter at Langham Creek, near Copperfield Place in northwestern Harris County. What was anticipated to be a regular day of fishing quickly morphed into a scene straight out of a wildlife documentary. As the angler reeled in his catch, he was met with an astonishing sight. A fish ensnared not only by his hook, but also entangled with a snake that had seized the opportunity to claim the fish as its prey. This incident underscores the unpredictable and often wild encounters that can occur in the natural world, presenting a vivid illustration of the food chain in action. Initially shocked by the dual capture, the fisherman faced a dilemma uncommon to most anglers. While professionals in the field of nature and wildlife typically adhere to strict non-interference policies regarding natural predator-prey dynamics, this angler found himself unbound by such protocols. Choosing to intervene, he documented the rare occurrence before carefully detaching both the snake and the fish from the fishing line, subsequently releasing them back into the creek. This act of kindness allowed both creatures a momentary reprieve from their natural roles as predator and prey. The fisherman reported that both animals made a successful escape, though he mused on the reality that such an intervention is a rare luxury in the wild. Before we go on like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Number 9. Siren calls. The vastness of the ocean holds mysteries that even seasoned sailors find unnerving. A retired U.S. Navy sailor recounted an experience while navigating northwest of the Marshall Islands, where the crew was haunted by distant screeches and screams carried by the waves. Despite initially suspecting a prank among the crew, further inquiry confirmed that the eerie sounds weren't human-made, leading them to attribute the noises to marine life or birds. Yet the possibility of an unknown entity lurking near their ship left them with an unsettling feeling of fear. This incident highlights the ocean's capacity to inspire awe and terror, reminding us of the unexplored and mysterious nature of the deep sea. Number 8. A split-colored lobster. In the serene waters of Maine, a fisherman stumbled upon a marvel of the sea, a lobster clad in a split-color armor. This isn't a trick of the eye or a digital manipulation, but a rare spectacle born from the depths of nature's diversity. Such split-colored lobsters owe their stunning appearance to a rare genetic anomaly that triggers the production of two distinct pigments in their shells. One half might don the usual dark hues of brown or green, while the other dazzles in vibrant orange or blue. The chance of encountering these uniquely adorned crustaceans is akin to finding a needle in a vast underwater haystack, with odds towering at around 150 million to 1. For lobster fishermen in Maine, capturing such a creature is nothing short of a lottery win. However, this genetic gift comes with its own set of challenges. The contrasting halves of these lobsters compromise their camouflage, making them standout targets in the aquatic landscape. Despite the peril this mutation brings, the existence of such lobsters is a testament to the incredible tapestry of life lurking beneath the waves, where nature's quirks create living art. Number 7. Water spirits. Luke's experience is a fascinating tale that blurs the lines between the natural and the supernatural. A self-proclaimed skeptic, grounded in rationality and science, he found himself facing the inexplicable while stranded in a rowboat in the vast expanse of the ocean. The isolation and stress of being adrift might have played tricks on his mind, leading him to see and hear things that defy logical explanation. According to his account, he encountered what he believed to be water spirits or sirens, mythical beings that have been part of seafaring lore for centuries, calling out to him with an almost irresistible allure. This story is a compelling reminder of the power of the human mind and the impact extreme situations can have on our perception of reality. While Luke's rational beliefs led him to dismiss the existence of the supernatural, His extraordinary circumstances pushed the boundaries of his understanding. The fact that rescuers arrived in time to save him from potentially succumbing to these visions adds a layer of dramatic tension to his narrative. Number 6. Bad Omen. In August 2015, fishermen on Catalina Island encountered a rare sight, a 15-foot-long oarfish, often dubbed a sea serpent due to its elongated ribbon-like body. These remarkable marine creatures, capable of growing up to 36 feet, typically dwell at depths of up to 3,300 feet, making their appearance near the shore a rare event. The sighting of such a deep-sea dweller in shallow waters has historically been considered an ominous sign in some cultures, attributed to the creature's elusive nature. However, from a scientific perspective, there's no evidence linking the appearance of oarfish in shallow waters to any foreboding events, despite the fascination and speculation they inspire. Number 5. St. Elmos Fire. St. Elmo's Fire is a fascinating natural phenomenon, not to be confused with anything supernatural. It manifests as a spooky, ethereal blue glow, often observed on ship masts or aircraft wings. Named after St. Erasmus of Formia, the patron saint of sailors, St. Elmo's Fire has historically been seen by sailors as a sign of salvation, or a good omen indicating the nearing end of a storm. This mysterious blue light is caused by plasma and electrical charges. It occurs when the electric field around an object ionizes the surrounding air molecules, creating a faint glow. This typically happens during thunderstorms when there's a high voltage differential between the clouds and the ground, creating a strong electric field capable of ionizing air molecules. The blue or violet glow is primarily due to the ionization of nitrogen and oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere, similar to neon lights but with a different color due to the gases involved. St. Elmo's Fire is actually a form of continuous spark, known as a corona discharge, resulting from a significant imbalance in electrical charge. Despite its fiery appearance, it doesn't involve actual combustion, so objects like ship masts don't burn during this phenomenon. It's an experience that can seem surreal to witnesses. Now, it's time for today's subscriber pick. The encounter with a mysterious creature emerging from tall grass by a group of anglers adds to the endless intrigue surrounding uncharted territories of our planet, particularly bodies of water. Despite advances in science and exploration, vast areas remain largely unknown, fostering the existence of cryptids, creatures yet to be recognized by science. This particular incident, where the anglers described a humanoid figure with fish-like features reminiscent of mythical sea goblins, ignites the imagination and raises questions about what else might dwell in the unseen corners of our world. While the logical explanation might suggest a misinterpretation of a known aquatic animal, such as a frog or fish, under unusual conditions or angles, the possibility of an undiscovered species cannot be outright dismissed. The depths of our oceans and secluded water bodies continue to reveal surprising discoveries, proving time and again that reality can be as strange as fiction. Whether this encounter was a trick of the light, a misidentified known creature, or a genuine cryptid sighting remains a matter of personal belief and speculation. Number 4. Bizarre Light. This tale from Reddit unveils a fishing experience off the Malaysian coast that transcended the ordinary into the extraordinary, highlighting the profound impact of witnessing a rare cosmic event. 14 years ago, as dusk gave way to the enveloping darkness of the ocean night, an angler found himself in the midst of a scene that would etch itself indelibly in his memory. The ocean at night, a realm of unfathomable darkness and disorienting silence, suddenly erupted in a spectacle of light as a glowing orb streaked across the sky, disrupting the solitude and stirring a mix of awe and fear. The sight was so unnerving that it prompted an immediate retreat from the planned nocturnal fishing expedition. With no immediate explanation for the celestial phenomenon, the experience lingered in the angler's mind, a puzzle awaiting resolution. It wasn't until days later that clarity emerged through news reports detailing the re-entry of the Japanese satellite Hayabusa into Earth's atmosphere. Launched in 2003 by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, Hayabusa's mission to the near-Earth asteroid Itokawa marked a significant leap in our quest to understand the cosmos. After years in space, studying the asteroid and collecting samples, Hayabusa's journey culminated in a fiery return to Earth on June 13, 2010. The angler unknowingly had become a spectator to the finale of a monumental space mission. Number 3. More mysterious than the moon. A seasoned sailor shared a chilling tale, recounting how, amidst his extensive voyages across the open sea, he encountered sounds so eerie and unearthly, they seemed to echo from another world. This anecdote serves as a stark reminder of the ocean's enigmatic depths. Surprisingly, our understanding of the ocean floor is eclipsed by our knowledge of extraterrestrial surfaces. Despite the advanced mapping of celestial bodies like the Moon, Mars, and even Mercury, the mysteries of our own ocean remain largely untouched. Covering 70% of our planet, with the vast Pacific Ocean making up nearly half of this expanse, the ocean's immense size and depth present a formidable frontier, yet to be fully conquered by modern exploration. Technological strides have allowed us to probe only about 5% of this aquatic realm, leaving a staggering 95% veiled in secrecy. Within these uncharted waters, it's believed that countless species await discovery, hidden from human knowledge. This vast, unexplored domain underlines the ocean's role as the final frontier on Earth, holding secrets we are only beginning to imagine. Number 2. A live grenade. Indeed, the ocean and rivers often conceal more than just aquatic life. They can harbor remnants of our past, sometimes in the form of potentially dangerous ordnance. The incident of the angler in his late 30s magnet fishing from the Clark Road Bridge over the Little Calumet River underscores this reality. Magnet fishing, a hobby that involves searching for metal objects underwater with a powerful magnet, can sometimes yield startling finds, such as the muddy, rusty grenade discovered by the fisherman. The discovery of such an item is a stark reminder of the unpredictability and potential dangers lurking in seemingly tranquil waters. Upon finding the grenade, the fisherman rightly recognized the potential threat it posed. Explosives, especially old and rusty ones, can become increasingly unstable over time, making them highly dangerous. The immediate action of contacting the authorities was the most responsible and safest course of action. The prompt response from the local police and the subsequent involvement of the Porter County Bomb Squad highlight the seriousness with which such finds are treated. The area was quickly secured, and the grenade was safely retrieved by the bomb squad, who noted that it had been in the water for an extended period. The origin of the grenade in the river remains a mystery, but its discovery and safe removal undoubtedly averted what could have been a disastrous situation had it detonated, especially in a populated area. Number 1. Catfish and a snapping turtle. Catching catfish is a popular and thrilling activity among anglers, given their size, taste, and the fight they put up when hooked. This has led to the development of noodling, a hands-on fishing method where anglers use their bare hands to catch catfish by coaxing them to bite onto their hands in under